Executive order now being racing just is started. We have happy hour break, weekly start. Moving up, Quick Storm Security General rushing up now at the outside is executive order. Then comes Leica in Manila, Belafat, while Sabor the Champagne is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Security General by a length and a half. Executive order in second, and in third comes Quick Storm. Happy hour is racing in fourth, and in fifth is Leica in Manila, Savor the Champagne, while Belapat now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Security General by about 2 lengths, and in second is Executive Order. Quick Storm moving up on the outside. Happy hour, Leica in Manila, Savor the Champagne, and Belafat. And at the fourth turn, we have Security General goes on by about 3 lengths, and in second is Quick Storm. Down on the inside is Executive Order, Leica in Manila, Happy Hour, Belapat, while Savor the Champagne now racing in less. And as they swing for home, we have Security General by only a length and a half, followed now by Executive Order, and on the outside is Quick Storm. Last 75 meters, we have Security General, followed by Executive Order, and finally Security General, Executive Order, Belafat, Leica in Manila, and Quick Storm.
Inabot ba? Nung dos, yung 4?
37624.
Okay. Anyway, it was Security General.